Hello, you gorgeous human, and welcome to a Mindful Minute with me, Abi Adams. Meditation does not have to take an hour. Sometimes it can be 60 seconds. And this is what we're going to do right now. We're going to go into a moment of silence. So take a deep breath, and as you exhale through your mouth, allow your eyes to close and sink into that space beneath your skin and into that silence. Take another deep breath. Allow the eyes to gently open if they're closed. There, wasn't that bad, was it?